Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable automatic driver update in Windows 11. So if you don't want Windows to automatically update your driver to the latest version, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. And also with this tweak you can update your Windows safely, just that your drivers won't update themselves. So why do you need this? For some reason in this machine, the speaker driver from Microsoft works better than the drivers from Realtek. Anytime I try to update my drivers and I got the speaker drivers from Realtek, it makes my speaker sound muffled and it's making some cracking sound. So when I go back to the Microsoft version, everything looks fine. So I don't want Windows to automatically update the driver by itself. If I get the driver from Microsoft and turn on my internet connection, it will update the driver to the Realtek one, which I don't want. So in this video, if you are in my shoes and you want to do something like this, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now to make this tweak, we have to edit some group policy. So go to your start menu and search for group policy. You're going to see where it says edit group policy. Open it. And now this is what you're going to look for. Computer configuration. Under computer configuration, we're going to go to administrative templates. Double click on it and go to Windows components. Double click on it and now search for Windows updates. Double click on it and now what we're looking for is manage updates offered from Windows Update. Double click on it and here you're going to see where it says do not include drivers with Windows Update. So this is what we're looking for. Open it. So this will basically ignore the latest driver update from Windows Update. Like I said earlier, you can update your Windows to the latest version, but drivers will not be included. So what you have to do is to click on Enable. I've already did this before. So click on Enable. By default, it is set to disable. So click on Enable, click on Apply, click on OK, and you have to reboot your computer. Once you reboot your computer, your Windows update will never update your drivers anymore. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helps you. See you guys in the next one.